Okay, there you go. Yeah, solutions.
We should probably have a Monopoly contest.
Monopoly?
Yeah. Just why not?
I just did the first term. I know the first term is going to be the biggest one. That's degree 4. So therefore, degree 4. All the other terms are smaller. And you name the degree by the highest degree. So, number 2. So using integration by parts, and we know limit to find the values for u. So u equals x. X is polynomial. Trig is the last thing, so dv equals cosine of 2x dx. Okay, so du equals dx, and v equals, so the antiderivative of the cosine is 1/2 sine of 2x. Okay, and then, what was it like that? UV, so ultraviolet voodoo. Okay, so that's integration by parts. Let's see, ultraviolet, it's hard to remember this stuff. So this thing is equal to, let's see, x times x over 2 times the sine of 2x, okay, minus v du, so minus 1/2 sine of 2x dx. Alright, it's getting there. And let's use this color here. X over 2 times the sine of 2x, and then minus 1/2. So kill those dogs. Anyway, minus 1/2, and then the antiderivative of the sine is negative 1/2 cosine of 2x. Okay, so that cosine of 2x, where is it? X over 2, that looks like e. I think that's e. Plus 1/4 cosine 2x, and don't forget the plus c. So minus 1/4, yeah, that's e. Next. Alright, so cosine of x is there, so that means the cosine of 2x is equal to 1 minus 2x quantity cubed over 3 factorial plus 2x to the 5th over 5 factorial, and so forth. Hopefully it doesn't take us past that, so it's to the 4th, 5th, 6th. So we know it can't be to the 6th power, it can't be e, so of all these choices, definitely cannot be e because it's to the 6th, can't be c because that's to the 4th, and it can't be a, so now we're down to b or d, and I would bet that it's going to be b. I could be wrong. 2 to the 5th, 32 over, yeah, that's not going to happen, so negative, so let's see here, let's figure this out. Negative 2 to the 3rd over 3 times 2, so that's negative 2 to the 2nd, which is, and then cross that out, and then this is negative 4 over 3, and that would be multiplied by x cubed. So the answer is B. Alright, next, number 4. So here we have a differential equation trying to figure out a solution for y. Well, we can see it's a separable differential equation. We're going to move the x over there, dx over there. We're going to move the y terms to the left side, and so we're going to get, we can just, we can make that an e. Let's put this in a different color. So we have e to the 2y dy equals x plus 3 dx. Let me make sure I got that right. I'm totally convinced. If I multiply both sides by x to the 2, or e to the 2y, then e to the negative 2y plus 2y, that's e to the 0, so that's 1. Okay, So if I multiply both sides by e to the 2y, yeah. Okay, so check. And then the antiderivative, so if I take the integral, or integrate both sides, we're going to get 1/2 e to the 2y equals x squared over 2 plus 3x plus c. Okay. And so we need to solve for y. And what other things are we given here? Yeah. Let's do this. Let's go with multiplying both sides by 2. Okay. So we're going to multiply everything by 2, and we're going to get e to the 2y equals x squared plus 6x plus c. Okay. And now we're going to take the ln of both sides. So I got to get that y by itself. And ln of e to the 2y is just 2y. Okay. Well, equals ln of, what am I seeing here? Yeah, okay. So I see the 1/2 out in front there. Ln of x squared. I'm just looking back up at the solutions. So this is just asking which one of those is a possible expression for y. Well, y equals then 1/2 times the ln of x squared plus 6x plus c, and the only one that, yeah, I'm looking up there, yeah, A is the only one that could fit that. So in other words, in the example for A, c happens to be 5. Well, c could be anything, so yeah, c could be 5. So that could be an expression. And so there you go. Next. So we're being asked to find the integral from 0 to 8 of f of x dx. Well, that's going to be the integral from 0 to 3, and that would be the 2x minus 5 dx. And then we're going to add to that the integral from 3 to 8 of, I didn't like the way I wrote that 8 there, of the square root of x plus 1 dx. Okay, so just have to figure those out. And okay, what a pain. Let's see here. 2x squared over 2 minus 5x evaluated from 0 to 3. And then we have plus, now that's x plus 1. Okay, so we've got x plus 1 to the 1/2. Okay, so we're going to add 1 to that. Hope this works out well. We have x plus 1 to the 3/2 and divided by 3/2 or multiplied by 2/3, and we're going to evaluate that from 3 to 8. Okay, and so we get, those 2's are going to cancel, we get 9, so we get 9 minus 15. That's the first part. And then plus, and we get 2/3 multiplied by, and let's do this, x plus 1. So we have 9 to the 3/2 minus 4 to the 3/2. So I'm just replacing the x with the 8 and the x with the 3, and so we get that. So what in the world is that going to be? So this is negative 6. 9 minus 15 is negative 6. 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, plus 2/3. Now, 9 to the 3/2, that's the square root of 9, which is 3. 3 to the 3rd is 27. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. Okay. 27 minus 8 is 19. Oh, good grief. 19 over 3. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding. So 19 times 2 is 38. 38 over 3, and then we have minus 18 over 3. Oh, good, at least we have that. So we have 20 over 3. 20 over 3 is not, oh, it is there. Thank God. E. I didn't like that problem. Too much work. Too much work. Okay. So I'm going to actually stop there, and we'll continue